The African elephant is another endangered animal that we saw at the zoo. African elephants live in the savannas, forests, and marshes. They live just south of the Sahara Desert, which is at the southern tip of Africa. Males can weigh up to 6 tons, and females can weigh up to 3 tons. They can get as tall as 12 feet for the males, and the females can reach as 9 feet tall. If African elephants were living in the wild, they could live up to 60 years. If African elephants were living in human care, like zoos, like we saw the ones at Zoo Tampa, they can live up to 80 years. During wet times of weather, like rain, they will eat grass, roots, and fruit. And during dry time weathers, they will eat leaves and bark from trees and bushes. Fun fact, elephants can drink up to 20 to 30 gallons of water each day. Just like we learned in our Elephants and Calves book, we learned that elephants live in herds, and there is only one dominant female that leads the herd. Elephants are known for two things, their trunks and their tusks. Their trunks could be used for sucking up water and dropping it into their mouth, grabbing branches and leaves, touching and sniffing around their habitat, and breathing while underwater. While their tusks can be used to fighting off predators, digging for roots or water, and breaking off bark from trees for food to eat. Another fun fact, to tell the difference between an Asian elephant and an African elephant, if you look at an African elephant's ears and then look at a map of the world, their ears look almost similar to Africa on the map. And that's how you can tell that they're different. African elephants are becoming endangered and almost extinct because their habitat is being torn down, like the trees, to build other things for us to use or people to use to build other things. Also, in Africa, people like to hunt elephants, which is another reason why they're becoming endangered. So think of ways how could we help the African elephant not become extinct?